Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to convert your Google form into Google Sheets. So you can copy your Google form into a different format, which then enables you to copy it directly on your hard drive. So a lot of people sometimes lose their Gmail accounts. So what we need your Google Drive. So you can open up a folder, then you can open up your download folder as well. Get your download folder ready. Go to Google Apps, go to Google Forms. I'm going to choose and select any template. I select one and I wait for it to load. Here's the very first one. Now, if I had to try to save this onto my Google Drive and download it, I cannot do it. So I will need to go to responses. This is my Google form that allows me to add multiple questions. Go to responses. I click on sheets. I create a new spreadsheet. I create it and I wait for it. While it opens, it has an option, a tool option. This means that this is an app that allows me to edit and manage my form, my Google Form files. So I can save my Google Form files under my Google Sheets. So when I try to go into my Google Drive and I try to download my Google Form file, I will not see it. But if I'm inside here, then I can see it. Now when I make a change, it will automatically save as well. So back here, tools. Manage form. I can edit the form, I can create a new form. I have a file. I have to make sure when I download this file, I choose the correct format. Tab, separated values, TSV. Before you download as well, you can make a copy of this one. When you download, only downloads the doc file. If I go to download now, and I click on the tab, separated download file, and I open up my downloads, it will give me this one, and I go to my Google Drive and I drag it in there. Once it's in there, you can see now it's just a normal file. If I click on it, nothing. It cannot open. See the file? TSV at the end. Okay? But what we need to do is we need to make sure we make a copy of this one, or we can move this file because it's already saved. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say file, make a copy, and I can close it. Let's see if it's here. If you made a copy and it's not here, then you need to redo it and make sure that you save it under the file. Now I made a copy but it did not save there, so I need to move the file. I need to look for where is the file. Okay, so I put it under, where is it? Under my drive mix test. Okay, let's move it here. There it is. Now, when I click on it, that means I can download it. And that is how I get to save my Google form onto my PC. So I will do it very quickly again. Close all of them. Close them all. Contact information. Go to Google Form. Click on the form. Select your template. This is a different one. I then go to responses. I link to sheets. I create a new spreadsheet. I wait for it. There it is. Make sure when you save it that you try to have at least 2 copies of it. When you download it, download separate tab values. Open the tab values, open your Google Drive. Drag it in there. Okay, so there's that one. There's the one. You go back to the file. close this one, go back to file, we say make a copy, but we're not sure where it's making a copy to. If I click on make a copy, let's check, maybe we can decide. Let's see, test, yes, select, there we go, make a copy. Now I made a copy of it. I can just save it if I don't want to make a copy, and I can move the file, the original file, to this one. So we'll move both of them inside it. Then we'll go back and close it. Close it. Now we refresh the page. We should have all of them inside. There we have it. Now we can download the file. Download the file. If this was a Google Form file, it would not open. So if this one was a Google Form file, it would not open. For example, I go to Google Form, go to New Form, I go to blank, saves. Will it be here? We're not sure where it's saved. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. New. All changes saved. Let's check where that it's saved. We want it to save in there, so we want to move it over to test. Go back to Google, refresh it. There. Now I right click. I cannot download any Google Form, but my Google Sheets, I can send it directly to my hard drive. There it is. I double click on it. That is my Google Form on top. Now I'm in my Google Sheets. Now I want to access, manage that form. There is my file. And that is how you can convert your Google Forms into Sheets and then back, so that you can save it on your hard drive. I cannot download this one, but I can go and I can download this directly to my hard drive. And when it's there, all that I need to do is I can just bring it over and I can bring it back over there. I go here, let me name it 2. Just bring it over and then it will be back as well. And that is how you can convert your files. Thank you for watching the video.